Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we'll start this hands-on exercise with entering a text on page 723 to enter the worksheet titles, run Excel and create a blank workbook. So now if necessary, click A1 to make A1 the active cell. A1. So once you select the cell, it makes this cell active. So the active cell means the cell that you are working in. A1. Alright, so if you click here, so F6 will be the active cell. Alright, now type personal budget worksheet. And then click the enter button to complete the entry. Click cell A2 to select it. Type monthly estimates. And then click enter button. Next, to enter column title, make sure the active cell is cell A3. Type income. Next page, press the right arrow key to enter the column title and make the cell to the right the active cell. So B3 is now the active cell. So type January. In cell B3, you just drag the fill handle up to December. And then in cell N3, type total. Click cell A8 to select it. A8. Right. Just now what I'm doing is I drag this fill handle. This is called the fill handle. The black thin crosshair. So type the first one, January, and you drag to the right and you will get the we call it as the autofill. Alright, so you drag it to here to December, and then now select A8. Repeat step 1 and 2 to enter the remaining column, that is enter expenses in cell A8. B9, C8, enter January up to December in cell M8. So just drag the fill handle. And then total in cell N8. So this is for income, this is for expenses. Right, next, to enter row titles, click cell A4. A4. This so in Excel we call this one as row. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. This is column A, column B, column C, column D. So you have to know what is this. These are columns, these are rows. So we want to make the row titles over here. Type wages in cell A4. Wages, and then click cell A5 or press down or press enter key. Repeat step 1 to enter the remaining row titles in column A, that is enter dividends. Okay, total. Alright, and then rent in cell A9, rent, food, tuition, books, entertainment, car payment, gas, miscellaneous, and total. Right, next is net in cell A19, net. Okay, so you have entered everything. Next is entering numbers. Okay, to enter number, click cell B4, type 1417.12. Okay, and then press the right arrow key. Okay, enter 1417.12 in cell C4, D4, E4, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L up to M4. Okay, the same number. Okay, so how to enter the same number? Just copy and paste. Okay, alright, and then click cell B5 to select it. B5, okay, escape, B5. Enter the remaining numbers provided in table 15-1 for each of the 9 remaining budget items in row 5 and rows 9-16. 9 to 16. Okay, so enter all numbers. Okay, so here 4029.71, 0, okay, up to June. July we have the same number as this month. Just copy and paste. Okay, and then we have 0 for the rest. Alright, and then for rent for January up to December, the same amount. Okay, so just copy and paste. Escape. And then for food, from January to December, same amount. Okay, 280, paste. Okay, and then for tuition, okay, we have 1,500 for January and August. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, let's continue. For January, August, the tuition fee is 1,005. January and August, and we have 300 for May. The rest 0, 0. Okay, and for books, 500 is spent on book for January and August. 500 for January and August. 100 for May. The rest are 0. Okay. For entertainment, 100 for the whole year up to December. Copy and paste it here. Okay, and then car payment, the same amount, 215.47. Okay, just copy and paste. You have to know the skill on how to key in faster in Excel, so that for your hands-on test afterwards you will have time to finish it on time or in time. Okay, right. For gas, 100 from January to December, miscellaneous 2. Okay, so 100 for these two expenses. Let me just copy and paste. Okay, right, done on keying in the text. To sum a column of numbers, click cell B6 to make it active. B6, total for January. Click the sum button to enter a formula in the formula bar in the active cell. So where is the sum button? At the home tab in editing group. So this is the editing group. Click the sum function. Okay, so now you can see the formula for sum function. Equal sum is equals to total. In bracket, open bracket, open parenthesis, B4. What is B4? The wages for January up to B5, till B5, the dividends for January, and then close parenthesis. Okay, so this is the formula that you will need to remember if, let's say, you have to do it like manually, right? Or you can just click on the button over here. And how to make it, how to make the total appear, just click enter. Alright, so this is the total for income for January, inclusive the wages and dividends. Alright, next. Repeat step 1 and 2 to enter the sum function in cell B17. B17. Total expenses for January. So it includes rent up to miscellaneous. So what we want is the total. Okay, so you can just double click to make a total. Okay, next, using the fill handle to copy a cell to adjacent cell. With cell B6 active, B6, point to the fill handle to activate it. Just now I've showed to you the fill handle. This is called the fill handle. Your pointer changes to a crosshair. Drag the fill handle to select the destination area, range C6 to M6. C6 to M6. So you just drag it through. Release the mouse and you will get the value. Why you get the same amount? Because no dividend from February to June, from August to December, except for January and July, they have dividends. So half year dividends. Next is repeat step 1 to 3 to copy the sum function from cell B17 to range C17 to M17. Same goes to these expenses. Just drag it through December. Next, to calculate multiple totals at the same time. Click cell N4. N4, total for wages. Okay, with the pointer in cell N4 and in the shape of a block plus sign, drag the pointer down to cell N6. Okay, this is called the block plus sign, the white color, this white color. Okay, this is fill handle. And the black one, the crosshair, black crosshair. Gemuk ni. Alright, so this is the block plus sign. So drag down to N6. Okay, so you want to calculate the totals in multiple cells. Those 3 cells. Okay, click the sum button. Okay, so you get sum for wages, dividends, and total for income. Okay, all right, next. Repeat step 1 to 3 to cells N9 to N17. N9 and 17. Click the sum button. Okay, done on that. Next, to enter a formula using the keyboard. Alright, rather than using the function that the Excel has for you, has created for you. So we want to enter the formula manually. Okay, select cell B19. Okay, for net for January. Type equals. Okay, any formula that we want to create, it should start with an equal sign. Do not forget the equal sign. If there's no equal sign, so it can't, the Excel can't calculate the whatever numbers for you. Okay, so equal sign is very important. Type B6 minus B17. Okay, look at it. Okay, B6 is for this one, January total. B17 is January total for expenses. Okay, so you want to minus, that is the net income. This is the income monthly for January. Yeah, total income. This is the total expenses. So total income minus total expenses, you will get the net income. Okay, and then okay, click cell C19 to complete the arithmetic operation. Display the result in the worksheet and select the cell to the right. Okay, so here, okay, right, so this is the net income for January. Right, next, to copy a cell to adjacent cell. Okay, copy a cell to adjacent cells in a row. Select cell B19. Drag the fill handle to select the destination area C19 to N19, which draws a shaded border around the source area. Release the mouse. Okay, alright. Okay, this is called the adjacent cell. Okay, so you just drag. Okay, so you'll get the net income. This is called the adjacent cell. Okay, it continues. If you have to choose the non-adjacent cells, this is called the non-adjacent cells. Okay, it is not in order. Alright, non-adjacent. Okay, done on it. Next will be on the formatting the worksheet.